Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by transferring the dart layout accurately. Mark all 6 dart lines and their apices on the wrong side of the fabric. Use chalk or a washable pen and note a 1 slash for seam allowance. Once marked, press the fabric flat and, if it stretches, fuse a narrow strip of interfacing behind each dart for stability. Pin each dart leg together from the edge toward the apex, smoothing fabric so the legs match. This prevents tucks and uneven stitching when you begin sewing. You now sew each dart precisely. Set your machine to a 2.02 5 mm stitch length for a neat, durable seam. Begin at the fabric edge and backstitch 2-3 stitches so the dart entry stays secure, then stitch toward the apex, slowing as you approach it. Make sure to stop about 1/8 inch before the apex, then either tie off by hand or use a very small zigzag to secure without bulk. Once sewn, trim a small triangle or clip curve, and press each dart toward the garment center. You finish by pressing each dart carefully on a tailor's ham so the curved shape sits smoothly. Use steam to relax fibers, but avoid stretching the fabric. Check symmetry across all 6 darts by measuring distances between apexes and outer edges. If anything is off, unpick only the problematic dart and resew for balance. If you notice puckering at the apex or along the seam, resew with a slightly longer stitch length or add a thin strip of interfacing behind the dart to stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.